So as we were busy having breakfast, this bird decided to sneak into intrude. I don't know if it's paying a visit or intruding into our what? Space. But that's the beauty of living within the best confines of nature. So perhaps it will find its way out. But as per now, it seems a little bit trapped inside here. What a beauty. But nonetheless, breakfast has to continue. So I don't know which, this is Bird Watching Pro Max. Because of course we are in a bird sanctuary. And this seems to be a what? Kingfisher or what? I don't know a lot about birds, but it's here anyway. There is no hole.
By the way, that corner. Then you step on the stone, then you see if you can pick it.
Maybe this side of the what?
Here. This side, because yes, it's strong.
There is.
It has dropped inside.
There's a hole in the corner.
There is here. You see? So it has dropped behind there.
It's gonna.
On this side, there is a board. Here.
So what are we going to do to save the bird? The little bird. Otherwise it's gonna die from there.
Maybe remove this board here. I don't know.
So perhaps people should send us some donations so that we can try to save the bird. You've given up. You have given up, huh?
No, we have to remove that. Dismantle it. Dismantle this compartment. This one here, it will drop out. So that's how you can get it out. Because it's inside there now.
It's going to come out.
was all the same. How can someone just reach? Size there.
What are you doing?
You're eating the bread. You're not respecting the bread. That's not respecting bread. Okay.
So Jenkins, what do we do about the bird? Let me climb there. With the Superman. Superman. Of the bird. Yeah, there is space. And perhaps it is. It is what?
So unless you get a long ladder, so I can step on the ladder and reach. It cannot even fly out, really.
Maybe it's where it's been living all along.
Ah,
So I can climb here.
and it has a nest.
It's coming. It's coming. Mama, it's coming. Come.
Champion is the tiny one who can. Someone tiny should be then climbing the board, or we dismantle the board.
Just go. Jenkins, you can get the bird out.
Jenkins is scared of the bird.
Jenkins, come and get the bird out. Because you are light, you can just stand on top of the board.
He won't be able to get it out, he's scared. Are you brave?
You go. It is there. Where is it? You have seen it. Huh?
Then get the bird if you have seen it.
Get it.
No.
Get the bird. You are not seeing it.
So guys, how can we save the bird? How can we save the bird?
It is you who are supposed to get the bird out. Because you can step there and hold the hand, pick the bird out, then you put it out of the house. Is there?
You're not seeing it. You don't see it. The tiny one who can't break those.
Otherwise. So for now, there is nothing we can do about this bird. Perhaps we'll gather some effort and fly out of that what? Call it.
It's going here after it gets stuck.
Yeah. So we have got a hoover. We see if we can. I think we need to put the hoover up. Or get a stool.
Now we feel.
You're trying to save the bird. So we're gonna try to use the hoover and we see if we can be able to. It is out. Hey, it has worked. After scaring it out, now it has gathered the energy to go. So we need to guide it out here. Not to go back there because it's gonna go back.
Jupiter, Jaden, come on. Jenkins, open that door.
Can open that door. Wide. Okay. Jaden. First come, Jaden. First come. We have to first. What? Someone has to chase it from that side. It's gonna go back there. Oh my God. Well, maybe we should open those burglars. Maybe to see it open. Hey, 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 hey! Out, 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 out! Hey, it's gone. So, guys, mission: we have rescued the bat, and we have to scare it with a hoover. Otherwise, maybe it would have thought it's a nest and is resting. So we scared it out and gathered the energy to fly out. So we need to take out our hoover from there. Jaden, you're standing on the wrong side of the what? So mission complete.
Daddy can come back.
So I did all the magic to get this bird out of that corner. Used some Harry Potter tricks, the Superman tricks, Batman, all combined. And that's how I managed to save the bird. Isn't it?
Everyone is saying yes, but anyway, you've saved the bird, it hasn't died, it has gone back.
The mission was not for it to
get trapped there. Yeah.
And die from there.
Save it and go back to its habitat.
Yeah, because there are very many birds here and we are living in a bird sanctuary.
Yeah.
I don't know which other name they use. And this is an island, Bussy Island, the bird sanctuary. Hundreds and hundreds of species of birds. But the most popular one is the shoebill stork.
Yeah.
So whenever you come to this residence, you can be assured to have lots of bird watching.
Especially in the morning, there are lots of birds on the beach that have come to catch some silverfish in the morning.
Now, because this video started as we were preparing a whole wheat bread, very healthy for breakfast. We prepared it here. As you have seen in the video, we have some breakfast with that very bread. We have had some bananas. And luckily, when we were still having some breakfast, that's when the bird joined us. Yeah. So we were given another task, a God-given task of saving it from death, which we have successfully done. So that's definitely, of course, to your enjoyment, viewers. So please. Always subscribe, share, like, comment as we bring you more raw content
from the village of Bussy Island. We are here for at least 2 weeks in this short school holiday. Yeah.
And this house, this beach house is up for PNP. If you're interested in coming up to have the experience, you can always come. Reach us in the comment section. Our numbers are there, the emails are there. You can always contact us and we organize an experience for you. So thank you so much, and always come back for more. And most importantly, come in person. Come with a friend,
family,
come with your family, come with your colleagues, and enjoy the beautiful island of Bosi, just 10 kilometers away from Entebbe.
The airport, yeah. Okay.
Ciao, ciao.
Bye for now.